Hi, I'm Greg Souls from Darwin Perennials. One of the other key questions I get, oh Greg, I don't have enough sales over the summer months to allow me to do a special production program for the summer. Well, let me tell you something, nobody has the same amount of sales in July that they have in April and May. The difference is you may only need 500 of something in July that you needed 5,000 of it in April and May. But if you're keeping fresh color on the retail shelves, you're increasing sales for the retailer, you're increasing sales for the grower, you're increasing sales for the sales rep, but most importantly, you're providing fresh color to the consumer, and overall you're increasing sales. So if you don't have enough labor or you don't have enough sales, make room. You'll increase your profit, you'll increase the industry sales in perennials.